Hello everyone! Ay, huwag ka kakali. Hello everyone! Are you ready to learn something? Then let's get started. By the way, I am Joanna Escaprova. I'm Leia Silariosa. I'm Leia C. Ayo. This video lecture is about National Blood Services Act of 1994. When we say blood, we all know what is it, right? Republic Act No. 7719, also known as National Blood Services Act of 1994, promotes voluntary blood donation to provide sufficient supply of safe blood to regulate banks. The National Voluntary Blood Services Program of the DOH is targeting the youth as volunteers in its blood donation program. According with Republic Act No. 7719, it aims to create consciousness on the importance of blood donation in saving the lives of millions of people. Who approved the Republic Act No. 7719? The Venencia Jr. approved the Republic Act No. 7719, or Act of 1994. This act, which is a consolidation of Senate Bill No. 879, was finally passed by the Senate and the House of Representatives on April 28, 1994. Human blood and voluntary blood donation shall be promoted through the following. First, public education. So what is public education? Well, public education in blood donation is through an organized and sustained nationwide public campaign by the Department, PNRC, PBCC, and etc. The Department of Health, or DOH, is hereby authorized to set aside funds and generate financial support for all sectors involved in the collection and processing of blood from voluntary blood donors through a system of reimbursement for costs for patients who can afford to pay or from donation from government and private institutions. Voluntary donors shall likewise be provided non-monetary incentives as may be determined by the department. And the second is promotion in school. So what is promotion in school? Well, promotion in school is the benefits and rationale of voluntary blood donation. And the third is professional education. So, what is professional education? Professional education is a training on the rational use of blood and blood products, including the merits of voluntary blood donation. The DOH, PBCC, PSHB, PSP, PMA, PAMET, PNA are encouraged to conduct for their respective members and as part of the continuing medical education. And the fourth, establishment of blood service network. What is establishment of blood service network? Establishment of blood service network is the collection of blood in various areas in the community such as schools, business enterprise, barangays, and military camps shall be promoted. And the last is the walk-in blood donors. In areas where there may be inadequate blood banking facilities, the walk-in blood donors shall be encouraged. All government hospitals, rural bank units, health centers, and barangays in these areas shall be required to keep at all times a list of qualified voluntary blood donors with their specified blood typing. Those are the ways on how to promote voluntary blood donation. And that would be all. Thank you. Hello everyone! Ay, huwag ka kakali. Sige ba kay gawin? 1 hour to regulate by the House and the is hereby authorized to set aside and generate voluntary donors, and private institution. And
Papel. Kalindi.
oh, what is professional? So, what is the DOA? And the fourth, establishment of service. And the fourth,
Video na rin na.